Starting off is going to be my EDC, my everyday carry. It is just a imitation buck knife that I'm using. This is the one that I carry every day. As you can see, it's been used quite extensively. It's actually time to repaint it, but that we'll get to it. This is just my normal knife that I carry with me in my pocket every day. It goes with me everywhere, and I'm using this for everything. From if I'm in a position of having some biltong, I will cut biltong with it, cutting food with it, producing or processing wood down, whatever. This is my everyday knife. I've got a little bit of a lineage here at the back just to make myself sure that I can use this knife and not lose it. So this is my personal favorite and my everyday carry buck imitation. To be honest, I bought it at a flea market, but I've had this thing for over 3 years now and it's never let me down.